Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open up the, alright, give me a minute. Spring 2022 FabFitFun box. I like the way this is designed. It's like a different color and it's got like a lady with blue hair skateboarding. I love it. And it's very heavy today. So let's dive in. I messed that one up. All right, so we have this fun little magazine that will tell you what everything is worth, and of course I will describe that down below. I think this was an add-on. I bought some POO-POURRI. Now, I recently found out that I was using this all wrong. You're supposed to spray it in the toilet before you do number 2. It's supposed to create some kind of film, and it's supposed to protect the bathroom from some odorous complications. And then this is, I don't know what this is. This looks like fun. Ooh. Oh, stationery. And they're like different things like birthday. Oh no, I think they're all happy birthday. But they're so pretty. What does this one say? I appreciate you. Thank you so much. These are so nice. This is so sweet. Now I do have a proper stationery, but nobody seems to like letters anymore. However, maybe I'll bring it back. How about that? What is this? Markers. Colorful dual tip markers. Remember when you were little and you had scented markers? I loved those so much. My favorite scents were like the bubblegum scent. Do these smell? It doesn't smell like anything. But we got pink, we've got green, and we've got gray. So this is so cute. How adorable. I'm gonna move this one over. Very cute. All right, the next thing. This is one of the things that you had to pick. It's a lazy Susan. It's just that the other options were just kind of meh. I'm not sure if this is something that is going to work with what I have in my house. Well, I'm not gonna open it because I can't. I can't figure out how to open this. Oh no, wait, I can't. Oh God, forget it. I'm gonna break a nail. It's 2 different languages. Acacia Lazy Susan, and then it's in French. Plateau tournant en acacia. Contains 1 lazy Susan. If your name is Susan, I apologize. All right, these were add-ons. I have a subscription to the DNA, and I told you before, I love it. The SPONGELLE Lavender Vanilla. Love lavender vanilla. I think it's like the best scent ever invented. Even though it's, yeah, I mean, the combination is invented. Oh, this is a lip scrubber. Daily Concepts Daily Lip Scrubber. It looks like a shoe for your foot. Dun, 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 dun. I obviously picked it because I had several different choices and the others were not that great, but I can try it and see what happens. I'm really good about putting a lip mask on my lips every night. Oh, we've got FabFitFun stickers. More stuff. Oh yes, I've been needing hair clips. They are constantly breaking on me because my hair is very thick. Oh, they're really strong. Yeah, I always break them. They're good to keep as backups because right now I have one that hasn't broken yet. All right, let's see what this is. Coach. Now, I like Coach. There was a time where it started getting a little meh, but now they're getting better again. They're starting to have like nicer purses. All right, what is this? This is cute. I don't know if you can see that. These are like little flowers with like a little gemstone in the middle. And then this is like a circle with another gemstone in the middle. It's cute. Jewelry is always fun. And it comes with its own little pouch, which is super cute. Alrighty. I remember I got some that are similar to these many boxes ago, but they were way too big for my feet. And this time they showed up again as the pick one, and they actually fit my feet. So, ooh. They are very soft. Yeah, I'm keeping these. Good for the summer. Next, we have Patrick Star Visionary One Size. I think this is a makeup palette, eyeshadow palette. And I do believe that this was also, I guess I picked the things that I would get, A lot of fun colors in here. Very pretty. I am not sure if I'm going to give this to somebody, like a friend or family member, or if I'm gonna keep it for myself. I'm gonna have to think about it, but the colors are very pretty. I just have so much eyeshadow. All right, next. Trying to get in shape, are we? This comes with a ball and a resistance band. Now, I used to take an exercise class and we used these. It was like Pilates or something like that. But they were always kind of grody and full of other people's sweat. So now I have my own. Now I just have to actually do Pilates again. I haven't done Pilates since we moved, which was years ago. I do exercise. I just don't take classes anymore. And maybe that's a good thing because, you know, the pandemic. Oh gosh. So the slip ball, I don't know how we're gonna get air in this thing. I certainly am not going to do it. Might need a volunteer. I don't know if I'm gonna use the ball. I'm afraid my dogs might think it's a toy and chew it anyway. I'll figure it out. But yeah, this I'm like, this will be fun to try. We'll see how many times I actually use it. Mantra band. She believed she could, so she did. Let these words be your anchor and your reminder that you have the strength and the will to do what it takes. There's nothing that you can't accomplish if you put your mind and heart to it. Always believe that you can and you will. This sounds really special, doesn't it? This is really cute. This reminds me of a little bracelet I had when I was a little kid. I don't know what happened to it. It's very big on my arm, though. I like it, but it's big on my arm. I have very skinny arms, and if I squeeze it, it still won't. It's not gonna close. So I might give it to someone. Maybe I'll give it away in a grab bag. Speaking of grab bags, if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? When I get 500 subscribers, I'm going to give away not one, but 2 grab bags. So don't forget to subscribe, hit like, hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!